Now let's talk about the demo exchange. You can test your strategies without the risk of losing your capital on our demo exchange. Your rules will run as paper trades on a simulation of Binance. When you create a rule, you choose the option Demo Exchange in the exchange's selection. If you want to modify your demo exchange wallet balance, you need to add the coins to your demo wallet manually using a direct order. For example, if you want to test a strategy for Binance Coin, you need to have it on your demo wallet first. Let's buy some BNB Binance Coin. And it's very easy. You just set up the coins you want to buy through the direct orders, and with a few clicks, this will execute and you will have the respective balance in your demo exchange wallets.